Alright, so in this video we're going to teach you how to set up the Elite 2.0. So make sure you guys have these screws here. You can lay it down. You're going to grab this piece, the one that has the little adapter at the bottom. This will connect down here. And you're just going to screw in these 4 screws down here. Just kind of have to lift it a little bit. This is one of the faster setups. Just make sure it's nice and tight so that way it's not flimsy. There we go. And then these are little pegs, so depending on the floor being not leveled, you can use these to adjust the bottom. So that's nice. So this is the front. Next, we're going to put the next piece on here. You can also use the little printer shelf. We don't necessarily use it for the printer shelf. We will only use that for like tip jars, business cards, hand sanitizer, that type of thing. Now we're just going to put these. Move this back a little bit. So you can do all 4. There's sometimes where I'll just set up the 2 on the sides. There we go. Now I'm gonna lift the head. So now you should have something looking like this before I put the head. I just want to show you this right here. Make sure that this LED thing is connected in here. So just insert that. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but I think we got it. So just make sure that that's connected, and then when we put the head on, we're gonna run the cable down here. So you're gonna see this part is gonna be the one that's connecting right over there. All right. So this is the head right here. Take this off. There we go. And so once we put it on the top of we're gonna screw the 4 screws here too. Okay, so now I'm just gonna grab it and lift it up on here. And slip right inside. You could technically let it go, but just be careful so you're not knocking it over. And then you're just gonna insert these here. 2 on the side and 2 in the back. Okay, so that will complete your setup. And I'm just going to turn this around so you can see. This is going to be the screws in the back. Let me grab the keys really quick. So make sure you put these keys away. Put one in the booth and one on your keys. You saw it was kind of difficult to open it, so when that happens, what I normally do is I just push this open a little bit more, so that way it's easier to open and close for you. This is the flash rod. This will go right on top. So you're just gonna twist this, and that will be for your wireless flash. And then we're going to connect this to the bottom of the booth. So now that you have this connected to the bottom, you're gonna want to connect to power. Now that the power's on, just go ahead and hit this on button and that will turn on the booth, but we still need to run down the tube cables that are down here. One is the power cable, and then the second one is going to be your LED. So we're going to use our keys one more time, and we're going to open this part. And this is where we're going to run these extra cables down. So about this will go down and connect here, but we're going to drop it down through that middle area, just like this cable is. Okay, so you see how I ran the two cables down? One is going to be your LED, and then the other one is going to be the power that gives the bottom. So you just push that in there. And then one thing to remember about your LEDs, I'm going to turn this around so you could see. This right here has a little pin, so make sure you push it back just like that and then pull. Okay, so when you're connecting it, there's only one way to do it, so don't force it. And then when you're unconnecting, just do that, just so that you're not ripping this little cable. If it's hard to close the doors, what I normally do is just kind of put more of the slack up here, so now I'm able to close the door. So that's how you successfully set up the Elite 2.0. This cable we're not going to need unless you're using that ring light, so that you'll just leave aside. This is how you change your LEDs on the booth. If you want to turn your camera, you're just going to unloosen this all the way, and then you'll be able to tilt your camera. Right here is where you're going to connect your printer. So your printer will go straight down to the bottom out here, and then you'll have your printer table on the side. Okay, so we're going to teach you how to install your Canon camera inside of your Elite 2.0. So number one, make sure your wireless flash hot shoe is on. Make sure your battery is in. You slide it in, and then you're going to lock it into place. Number two, make sure it's on manual mode. This is your on and off switch. Make sure it's on AF autofocus. I'm going to put in my AC adapter with my dummy battery. Make sure my SD card is inside. Closing that up. And then my data cable is going to be connected in here. So what I did first is unloosen this so that I can turn my camera in this position. So this is the only way you're going to be able to install it. And you could see how I'm kind of just pushing that in there. And hold on, give me a sec. It is. So now that I have that angle, I get my little washer and my screw that's provided to you. That will go in here. And then I noticed too that it's at kind of at an angle, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew these a little bit, and then the platform will also be able to move. So now I'm able to kind of angle this a bit, tighten these back into place, same with that. And now I'm ready to install my data cable right in here. My printer cable will go here and then straight down the body and out from here, and then I'll connect it to my printer and my prop table. So that's how you successfully set everything up. You'll see my flash is on top. I tightened it here, make sure it was a nice angle. I'll put my umbrella in just a second, and that's where I'm gonna tighten the umbrella hole, and then this I'm just gonna twist off. Let me get my umbrella. And you can use a little one or you can use a big one. There we go. And so now these pieces I'll just put in my case. But that's how you successfully set up your camera in the Elite 2.0 with your AC adapter, your data cable, hot shoe, and all of that. So once you find the position for your AC adapter, just go ahead and zip tie this directly here, and it will be powered up right on top. And then this will swivel whenever you want to tilt it. I hope this video helped you guys out. Subscribe to our channel.